This video will walk you through how to log in to Bitbolide and access the math refresher materials for SOC483. Step 1 is logging into Bitbolide. Go to bitbolide.com. Click on Login on the upper right-hand corner. For students who have taken SOC411 at TMU, you have already set up a Bitbolide account while taking the Sociology 411 Math Refresher test. Log in using your TMU email and the password you previously registered with Bitbolide. Check off I am not a robot and click Login. If you have forgotten your password, select Forgot Your Password under the Login box. You'll be directed to the Password Reset request page where you have to enter your TMU email. Check off I'm not a robot and hit the Submit key. After you have reset your password from your email, go back to bitbolide.com/login. Enter your TMU email address, enter your new password, check off the box I'm not a robot and select Login. Once you have logged in, select Notes under Common Resources. From here, find your course. In this case, look for SOC483 of your current semester and year. For this video, we will use Winter 2021 as an example. Once you have found your course with the corresponding semester, click on Add to My Notes. You should see a message indicating you have successfully added the note at the top of the page. Going back to the side menu, under Navigation, go to My Notes. You can see SOC483 has been added to My Notes. From now on, you will access the SOC483 Math Refresher Test info under My Notes. By selecting the course, you can expand to see all content. Please proceed to watch the video Getting Started with SOC483 Math Refresher Test for a detailed explanation of each component inside My Note. If you need help with any technical difficulty with Bitbolide, please email support@bitbolide.com with a screenshot of the issue. For all Math Refresher Test related inquiry, please fill out the SOC483 Math Refresher Test inquiry form located under Contact Math Refresher Test tab in D2L. All the best with your Math Refresher Test, and thank you for watching this video.